Hi, this is Jason Fielder with the Daily Forex Report for July 3rd, 2008. We're looking at the US Japanese yen pair. It closed down Friday after moving down and then retracing a significant amount. I'm looking for this market to be between the 108.68 area, that's around here, and on the downside the 107.25 area. Now, as far as resistance, should see some resistance come in around 108.30 area. That's right around here, around these tops that we've had over these sessions. And on the downside, we should see some support come into the market a little bit higher at 107.32. So definitely be looking for that. This pair is pretty much just moving sideways for the most part within this range. Look for a breakout beyond those ranges for this pair to really start moving. Now, looking at the Euro USD pair, this pair moved lower on Friday and then pulled back a little bit, still closed down for the day. What I'm looking for here is to have a break above this point, this high, for a reversal. If that occurs, I'll be looking for this pair to continue higher, most likely up to around this point, and then looking for this point. Now, on the downside, I'm looking for a break of this low. If that occurs, we're gonna look for it to push lower to this area, which is around the 1.5465 area, and after that occurs, then we'll be looking for this next low, because there's not too much to hold it up to continue on down. I don't know if that'll happen, but we'll just have to see. So look for a break below Friday's low and a break above Thursday's high. Now, as far as this next session's range, I'm looking for the market to be between 156.85 on the high side, and on the low side I'm looking for 155.10, which is pretty much right at this point. Now, as far as resistance coming into the market, I think it will come into the market just a hair below this point at 156.77, and a little bit below this point as far as the support, looking for it to come in at 155.00. Now, switching gears to the pound. This particular pair dropped down Friday, lower, and looks like it's going to continue lower. It may pull back as it has in the previous, after a large drop, pulled back 2 days as it has the 2 times before, as you can see on the chart, but I still believe that it's going to be moving lower overall. Now, as far as this next session is concerned, I'm looking for a range of 19800, and on the low side 1.9660. As far as resistance goes, looking for it a little bit higher at 198.50 area, and on the low side looking for it to kick in a little bit higher at 196.94, and this is the support, what I'm looking for there. Now, switching over to the Swiss. Hang on one second. There we go. Looking for this pair. This pair moved higher, but as you can see, we did not break this previous high, which is quite interesting. So I'd look for a break above that point for this pair to continue higher, or a break below Thursday's low for a break, reversal and break to the downside. Now, I am looking for this pair to move between the 10560 area on the high side, and on the low side 10420 area on the low side. And as far as resistance, we should run into some resistance at the 1.0520 area, and for support, we'll probably find some support at 104 400 area as far as support coming into the market for this pair. Now, as far as news announcements, Monday we have the U.S. personal consumption expenditures for June being released at 8:30. This typically doesn't move the market all that much, but you should check it out, take a look at it, and watch how it affects the market. It's a good idea to, when I talk about the different news announcements that are coming out, it's a good idea to tune in, see if it was up or down, compare it to the consensus, and then see what happened in the market, and it'll help to teach you what news announcements are significant, which ones move the market, and why, the dynamics of the whole thing. So this is Jason Fielder. Until next time, good trading.